electrically heated building is really inefficient and really expensive to operate and to heat. These buildings were built between the 1950s and 1990s when electricity was cheap, which is no longer the case. So the business case is quite strong to retrofit an electrically heated building to heat pumps because the efficiency gains are huge. It's the lowest hanging fruit in today's market. You know, a heat pump is 3 or 4 times more energy efficient than a baseboard, so the building owner or bill payer is going to save upwards of 66% on their heating bill if they make the switch.
So I know that heat pumps are way more efficient, but they still require electricity. Why is it easier to put in a heat pump into an electrically heated building versus a gas heated building?
It's about the electrical infrastructure. So the second problem that we're working to solve is decarbonizing buildings that are gas heated. We know that the burning of fossil fuels for space heating, such as boilers, furnaces, is the second biggest contributor to GHG emissions, second only to transportation. But the challenge is really these buildings weren't built with the electrical infrastructure to connect the heat pumps to. So whereas we can disconnect a baseboard and reuse that feed for a heat pump, for example, a gas-heated building, you're going to need to bring in more power to the building more often than not. You're going to need to upgrade the transformer. You're going to need to run new wire throughout the building, upgrade the in-suite panels, or upgrade the main panel. It's more invasive, it's more expensive, but the net effects to our carbon emissions into the environment are huge.